Have you ever had a door slammed in your face, only to realize it was the best thing that could have happened to you? Today, we're diving deep into the art of turning rejection into opportunity, inspired by the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Imagine a world where every no doesn't push you down but propels you forward. Rejection, often a word that stings, can become your stepping stone to greatness. It's not about tricking fate but understanding that sometimes the universe's no is a hidden yes to something greater. Feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued? It's time to flip the script. In this video, we'll explore 13 powerful lessons that teach you how to harness the power of rejection. These aren't just theoretical ideas, they're practical, real-world strategies you can apply in your daily life. But before we jump in, let's ensure this wisdom reaches as many people as possible. Hit that like button and ring the notification bell to let YouTube know you find value in what we're sharing. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Ready to turn your rejections into your greatest victories? Here we go. When life hands you the cold shoulder, don't shrink back, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't petty. It's a powerful statement of your self-worth. If someone decides you're not worth their time, that's their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you're saying, I am worth more. Focus on your life, your goals, your happiness. Dive into activities that enrich you, whether it's reading, sports, learning a new skill, or just enjoying the company of those who do value you. This isn't about getting back at someone. It's about reclaiming your energy and investing it where it matters. Rising above rejection requires calmness and composure, not letting emotions control you. Stoicism, a philosophy as relevant today as it was in ancient Greece, suggests embracing a composed, thoughtful response. Reflect on why the rejection bothers you. Often, it's not the rejection itself but our own insecurities that hurt us the most. Breathe, reflect, and remember that this moment doesn't define you, it's just a moment. Your power lies in how you respond, not in how others treat you. Harness the art of detachment when faced with rejection. Channel the experience into something transformative. Feel the impact of rejection, but don't let it anchor your thoughts. Picture rejection not as a roadblock but as a detour sign guiding you towards new paths and possibilities. Engage in activities that enrich your spirit and broaden your horizons. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you, creating an environment where mutual growth thrives. Rejection is not a reflection of your worth, it's an invitation to rediscover and reinvent yourself. Turn rejection into a chance to demonstrate your value. Instead of wilting under its weight, view it as an opportunity to reveal your grit. Work on a project that highlights your skills or offer to lead a new initiative. Your value isn't diminished by others' oversight, it's an opportunity to shine brighter. Use this as a catalyst to reassess and realign with your core strengths. In moments of rejection, silence can be a powerful tool. It's not about playing games but about regaining your power and clarity. Embrace this silence to refocus on your goals and passions. This period of no contact isn't cold or unkind, it's a boundary you set for your mental peace. It speaks volumes about your self-worth and confidence. As you navigate this journey, remember that rejection isn't the end of your story, it's a twist in the plot, pushing you towards becoming the most authentic, resilient version of yourself. Face it head-on with the wisdom of the ages and the vitality of youth, and watch as it transforms from your biggest fear to your greatest ally in personal growth and success. Engage in physical fitness, explore hobbies, or advance in your career, not just as tasks, but as tools to carve out a stronger, more resilient self. Share your journey, not for applause, but to connect with like-minded souls. Rejection can feel like a closed door, but it opens many more. Seek out joy deliberately, whether it's through new hobbies or revisiting old passions. Engage in experiences that add layers to your character, making you more adaptable, empathetic, and equipped to handle life's curveballs. In my ebooks on Stoicism and relationships, I delve deeper into these concepts, exploring how to navigate interactions with narcissists and how Stoicism can provide a path to liberation. These guides offer practical advice and insights to help you turn every challenge into an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. And here's some exciting news: my ebooks are currently on sale with a huge discount. This is a limited-time offer you don't want to miss. If you're serious about transforming rejection into resilience and mastering the art of Stoic living, grab your copies now before the discount ends. You'll find the link in the comments below. Rejection is not a signal to beg for attention. Stoicism teaches us that our self-esteem shouldn't be a pendulum swayed by others' attentions. Instead, anchor yourself in your own self-worth and independence. Engage in your passions and pursuits with a heart full of self-sufficiency. This isn't about showing off to make someone realize what they're missing. It's about realizing for yourself what you bring to the table. Indulge in activities that fulfill you, connect with people who appreciate you, and cultivate a life that makes you proud. This isn't a passive act, it's a vibrant, active embrace of your own life. It's about being so involved in your own growth and happiness that the need for outside validation fades away. Choosing silence in the face of indifference isn't about getting the upper hand, it's about maintaining your dignity. Stoicism teaches us to use silence not as a means to provoke or manipulate but as a tool for self-reflection and emotional mastery. When someone ignores you and you respond with silence, let that silence be a period of introspection. It's a time to understand your feelings, sift through your thoughts, and find clarity. This isn't about punishing the other person, it's about preserving your inner peace. By staying kind yet detached, you're saying, I choose not to let your indifference upset my balance. This approach doesn't just protect you, it empowers you. It's about managing your emotions in a way that maintains your dignity and self-respect. This path of kindness combined with emotional detachment is a powerful embodiment of Stoic wisdom. It's a balance that allows you to interact with grace yet stand firm in your own emotional integrity. In essence, by not revealing your struggle, you're embracing the Stoic philosophy of emotional resilience. It's not about hiding your emotions, it's about managing them in a way that reflects true inner stability. Continue with your life with the same vigor and determination as before. This isn't a performance for others but a testament to your own strength. By maintaining your composure, you're not just showing others your strength, you're reminding yourself of it. Joining us on this journey of mastering the art of Stoic resilience means more than just listening to advice, it's about integrating these lessons into your everyday life. Let's turn every no into a stepping stone towards a richer, more vibrant existence. Share your stories of triumph in the comments below, and let's build a community that thrives on wisdom, understanding, and the art of turning every challenge into an opportunity. Don't forget to check out my ebooks, now available at a huge discount. This is a unique opportunity to deepen your understanding of Stoicism and relationships, and to arm yourself with the tools to turn rejection into success. The link to the ebooks is in the comments. Make sure you don't miss out on this limited time offer. When you embrace Stoicism, you learn that rejection isn't about failure, it's about redirection. Every no you encounter isn't a door slammed shut but a nudge towards a different path, one that may lead to greater opportunities and growth. This mindset shift is crucial in transforming how we perceive and handle rejection. Instead of seeing it as a setback, view it as a setup for a comeback. Consider the power of building your social status through meaningful interactions and personal growth. Engage in physical fitness, explore new hobbies, and advance in your career. These activities aren't just tasks, they're tools that carve out a stronger, more resilient you. When you share your journey, do it not for applause but to connect with like-minded individuals who understand the value of growth and resilience. Rejection can feel like a closed door, but it often opens many more. Seek joy deliberately, whether it's through new hobbies or revisiting old passions. Engage in experiences that add layers to your character, making you more adaptable, empathetic, and equipped to handle life's curveballs. Each experience you embrace in the face of rejection builds resilience and prepares you for greater challenges and successes ahead. In moments of silence, you find clarity. Silence isn't about playing games or seeking revenge, it's about taking a step back to reflect and recalibrate. When faced with indifference, choosing silence can be a powerful tool for self-reflection and growth. It's about understanding your worth and not letting external factors dictate your internal peace. By staying kind yet emotionally detached, you maintain your dignity and self-respect. This approach doesn't mean you're indifferent, it means you're strong enough to handle indifference with grace. You're showing that your emotional stability isn't dependent on how others treat you but on how you choose to respond. This journey isn't just about handling rejection, it's about thriving despite it. It's about turning every challenge into an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Remember, every no is a chance to say yes to something greater. By integrating these lessons into your daily life, you become more resilient, more adaptable, and more equipped to turn any rejection into a stepping stone towards success. As we wrap up, remember to check out my ebooks on Stoicism and relationships. They delve deeper into these concepts, offering practical advice and insights to help you navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. The ebooks are currently on sale at a huge discount, and this is a limited-time offer you don't want to miss. The link is in the comments below, so make sure to grab your copies now and embark on a journey towards mastering the art of Stoic resilience. Join us on this journey of mastering the art of Stoic resilience. Let's turn every no into a stepping stone towards a richer, more vibrant life. Share your stories of triumph in the comments below, and let's build a community that thrives on wisdom, understanding, and the art of turning every challenge into an opportunity. Don't forget to check out my ebooks, now available at a huge discount. This is a unique opportunity to deepen your understanding of Stoicism and relationships, and to arm yourself with the tools to turn rejection into success. Stay stoic, and let's grow together.